Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie. So I want to talk to you guys for a few minutes to let you know I made a big decision. When I first made this book, I was looking for a way for me to incorporate everything that is important to me inside a cute savings challenge book. It turned out better than what I expected. And then I thought, well, I want to share this with everybody. But, after listing it up on Etsy, I realized who could afford $40 plus shipping? And I thought, you know what? There's got to be a better way to get this out. I could have listed it on Etsy as a digital printout, but it is so colorful, and a lot of people don't have printers, and a lot of people would not use that much ink. So I done research, and I came up with an idea. This beautiful book right here, which is in the process, it's already been retweaked, redone. The plan, scroll, and grieve, or whatever it's supposed to be, is changed. It's plan, grow, and thrive. All of the pages are absolutely beautiful. Of course, y'all see Bandit, and I have been working in this one. This one was my copy that I wanted to show you guys. And I have been saving. I'm doing really well with it. I shouldn't show you the amounts, but it's okay. We all know that small and steady wins the race. And I am working now on Rudy and Gracie's. All of these are in just plain simple envelopes in a big binder. Of course, this one is not up yet, but I do have one that is on Amazon. These are in the process. This book right here is in the process of getting finalized to be released. But with the cost and everything, $40 for a book like this is just too expensive. It's beautiful. I love it. I created it. I put my heart and soul in this. So I went and started researching different ways. How can I get this out without a digital down file on Etsy that would cost somebody paper and ink? And then I came across Amazon. So I have got multiple books ready to go. I have been working for the last 2.5 months on making savings challenges that would help people first starting out, people who are experienced, people who are wanting to learn what a sinking fund is, how to use it, what an emergency fund is, and how to use it. And it's all going to be on Amazon. I will link in the description below of this video where you can go find the first one that is called Building Your Emergency Fund. It's a cute little 24-page book, not very expensive, so I don't have to worry about paper, ink, shipping boxes, postage, going to the post office. And everybody who falls in love with these books will not have to worry about paying shipping unless you don't have Amazon Prime. It's a wonderful idea. It's a big adventure for me. And with what is coming up in the next video, this is something that I feel was necessary for me to start. So guys, I really appreciate everybody. I love you guys, and hopefully you'll see me back soon with the rest of this book and the envelopes that goes with it. Love you guys. Have a good day, and God bless you all.